Welcome to Car Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting SUV launches of the year, the all-new 2026 Toyota Highlander. This latest model is a bold step forward, blending modern design, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance to redefine what a midsize SUV can be. The 2026 Highlander features a completely refreshed exterior. It now sports a more aggressive front fascia with a larger, sleeker grille and sharp LED matrix headlights that not only look futuristic but also enhance nighttime visibility. The redesigned LED taillights and aerodynamic body lines give the Highlander a more dynamic and sporty stance. With newly styled 20-inch alloy wheels, the Highlander commands attention on any road. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a more spacious and luxurious cabin. Premium leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, and elegant finishes elevate the interior. The new 14-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition, and seamless connectivity. A fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster gives the driver real-time information with a customizable layout that's both futuristic and functional. Toyota has also pushed the boundaries with its safety technology. The 2026 Highlander comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, this SUV has your back. Under the hood, you now have two engine options. The first is a newly tuned 2.4-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that offers improved power and better fuel efficiency than previous models. The second is a new generation hybrid system that combines a gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver over 250 horsepower while maximizing fuel economy. Both variants are available with Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction and control in all conditions. The suspension system has been upgraded too, providing a smoother ride and sharper handling. Whether you're navigating city traffic or heading out on a family road trip, the Highlander delivers comfort, confidence, and versatility. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Highlander is not just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. It combines luxury, safety, and performance into one impressive package. Perfect for families, professionals, or anyone who needs space, style, and reliability in their everyday drive. If you're considering your next SUV, the new Highlander deserves to be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more detailed breakdowns and first looks at the latest models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.